This is my 1982 Sears Game Fisher John boat. It's 12 foot. When I got it, it was originally just a regular John boat. I'll try to add some pictures in there. The front and rear decks are built out of 3/4 inch plywood, water treated. The centerpiece is only 1/2 inch plywood with 1 inch foam boards underneath it. All the carpet is regular indoor-outdoor carpet. I think I got it at Lowe's. Got the Motor Guide X3 45-pound thrust, 36-inch shaft trolling motor, which pushes this thing very well. Got a Lowrance Mark IV HDI. It was on sale. They brought them down a lot. I guess they're getting ready to discontinue them. Right up here, got a little storage unit. Holds all the life vests, paddle. It's actually a lot bigger than it looks. This is the back seat, or the front seat I should say, for the original, for the John boat. So it's still in there with the foam all in it. It's easy to get in and out of while on the water. Got the pedestals. Just drilled a hole straight down, even into the seat. As you pull that up, you can actually see the foam inside there still. All my rods lay around there nice. This one's a 7-foot rod, I believe, so you know there's still quite a bit of room there. Also back here, got another storage unit. This is where the battery sits. That again, that's the back seat down in there. Just have a little supports going for right now. I ran all my my cables through that little crevice. Brought it back up through here. Ran it into the front crevice, and then there's a hole drilled right into the deck right down there, and that's where all the wires come in and out, and that's the box I had to build to put the trolling motor up on. The depth finder transducer is on the transom right now. Hopefully want to mount it underneath the trolling motor right here. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know. I've taken it out a couple times. Everything works really good on it. The only complaint I would have is if someone's sitting in this back seat, the boat tends to lean left and right very easily. So I usually don't keep that on. So I'm going to figure out a way to make the boat more stable in the water. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Right now all I can come up with is maybe doing some pontoon type ideas along the side. Also painted it. There's the old green and the new green, and then the tan around the rim and on the inside. And I think that's about it. If you guys have any questions, want to know how I did anything, feel free to leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If there's any other videos you'd like to see, just let me know. Appreciate it.